Hello everyone, my name is Nadine and I'm the owner of NG Platinum Homes, and welcome. Today we're going to talk about the 3 most popular countertop materials that you can use when renovating your kitchen or of course your bathroom as well. So the first one is the most common that had been used for years, and that is of course granite. A lot of times right now people are getting away from granite because of the different color variations that are in that stone. But the good thing about granite is it's a natural stone, so it's pretty durable. It's pretty cost effective. If you're concerned about budget, granite is definitely a material to look into. Now, because it's a natural stone, it is a porous material. So the one downside of that is it can stain. It absorbs things, especially if it's not sealed correctly to keep up with the beauty of the stone. The most popular countertop option right now, I would have to say, is quartz. Now, quartz is a man-made material. It's pretty much 90% crushed stone, which is a mix of different stones, and then the other 10% is a polymer resin that's mixed in. So it's not a natural stone, it is man-made, and it's more cost-effective as well as some of the natural stones. Now, the beauty of quartz is there's pretty much no maintenance to it. So it's non-porous, so it doesn't stain. But the one downside of quartz is because of that resin, which is basically a plastic, the heat is not very good. So if you're one who likes to cook a lot and you want to put a hot pot on your countertop, you really can't do that because it will damage the countertop. So you have to be really conscious of that. The other very popular material is quartzite. And I think by far this is one of my absolute favorites. This again is a natural stone. It is a porous material as well, but it is very durable. Because it's a natural stone, it's a very hard surface. The downsides of quartzite, however, are it does scratch easily. It's also, like I said, it's also porous, so it can, just like granite, absorb oils, juices, wine, so you want to be careful of that. And then over the 3, quartzite is probably the most expensive of all of them. So you really have to consider your budget and your lifestyle. So if you're not too much worried about problems with spilling things, you can go ahead and go with one of those porous materials. If you really want a low maintenance countertop, like I said, quartz is the best option. So you really want to consider these when choosing your countertop for your kitchen. For a bathroom, it doesn't matter too much because generally there's not too much going on in there as far as staining or heat or anything like that. Those are the 3 most popular countertop options. Hope you found this helpful. Until then, keep designing your life, and I'll see you in the next one.